and gentlemen, without further ado, let us give our warmest and bubbliest round of applause to our dear beloved, sassy, unika iha ng tagig, Bianca De Vera! Ladies and gentlemen, our dear beloved, sassy, unika iha ng tagig, Bianca De Vera! What about a big round of applause to may kasamang hiyawan? May that right here, beloved Bianca, please remain at our places. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Baby boy, I think I've been too good of a girl.
Hello, Bianca! Nice to finally meet you in flesh. Dati pinanonood lang kita sa Too Good To Be True, di ba? Yes, ngayon talagang finally we have here our dear beloved Bianca. So now, Bianca, these people have been waiting for your words. So what about a welcome message to everyone?
Hi everyone! Hello! Grabe, unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko lang magsabi ng gagandang yung lahat. Grabe! Talagang inakita niyo ako ngayon. Ang cute niyo in your dresses, and your makeup, and your smile. So, thank you so much for being here. And maraming salamat sa oras niyo, sa supportang niyo, and never once in my entire stay here in the outside world since I got out did I ever feel na hindi ako kamahal-mahal. And I've always been looking forward to this day, yung makita kayo again in flesh, makapag-bonding tayo, and I'm just really happy and grateful to be able to see you. You guys are such gifts to me. So this day is truly, it's very, very special to me. So thank you for being here. And of course, to my Forever Bianca admins, of course, this wouldn't be possible without all of you. So thank you. Alam kong ilang araw kayo nagpupuyat at ilang araw na rin kayong stress. But you guys have mounted such a beautiful event. Grabe, parang akong nag-debut. So, kayanin niyo lang tayo, Forever Bianca. Forever young! Charing! So, ayun. Thank you guys! Let's enjoy the night!
Yes, thank you so much, Bianca, for your presence. Ayan, so, syempre, kanina pa nila inaabangan and very worth the wait, isn't it?